Hi everyone, want to turn your ideas into stunning images using just words? Today, let's generate a high quality AI images with Prome AI into text to image tool. Let's dive in. First, go to promeai.com and log in or sign up. Then from the dashboard, select the text to image. This is where the magic happens. Then here, just click the AI image generator and just write your powerful prompts. In the prompt box, exactly describe what you want to create. Like this. Then, the more specific, the better the result. You can choose your art style to match your vision, and each on adds with a unique flair to your images. Then, you can adjust the aspect ratio or add a negative prompts or avoid unwanted elements. Then hit generate if you want, and then let the Chrome AI works its magic. Then you can edit your style. And once your image is done, just click download and you're good to go. And that's how you turn your text into a masterpiece images with Chrome AI. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.